Welcome to Loudest Minds Informative Tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download Windows 10 operating system and create bootable ISO file. Let's get started. First of all, let's start with Windows laptop. Open any internet browser you have and search for Microsoft download tool. Then press enter. Now you can see first link as download Windows 10 disk image, Microsoft. Click on the first link, you will redirect to the Microsoft software download page. Now, scroll down the page, you will see a heading as Create Windows 10 Installation Media, and then click on the button as Download Tool now. Next, save the file on your device. Now, right-click on the downloaded file and open it. This file requires administrative permission, so click on Yes on the dialog box. Then you will see another dialog box as you can see on the screen. The Microsoft download tool is now running and gathering some information for you. Now set back because this process will take time. On the next page, this tool will ask for accept license permissions, so we have to click on accept button as you can see here. Here, this process will take time because the tool is checking information about the installed operating system. On the next page, choose first option in case you want to upgrade this PC. To create an ISO file we have to choose second option. Then click on next. To choose specific configuration you have to uncheck the checkbox that available as you can see on screen. Then you can change the fields as per your required configuration. All the fields are already selected as per this device's requirement. Click on next. To create a bootable flash drive choose first option. We are creating an ISO file, so we will go for second option called ISO file. Then click on next button and choose the location to store the ISO file. Then click on save button to start the download process. Now, the download tool is downloading Windows 10 operating system. The process time will depends on your internet speed. Once the process completes, one last process will start that will create and save the ISO file on your device. Keep calm and wait till the process ends successfully. On the next page, you can see where the file has been successfully stored. In my case, it's stored on desktop folder. Now you can click on finish button as you can see here. After some time the tool will automatically close after deletion of the extra downloaded files. Here, my latest Windows ISO file, you can check the file size, it will be around 4.24 GB then. Right click on the ISO file and click on first option called mount in case you want to see the installation files. Now, let's see how we can download Windows 10 ISO file on other devices like Android and iOS. We recommend some specific browser for devices. You can use Google Chrome browser on both type of devices, but you can also choose Safari on Apple devices. First of all, tab on the available browser and search for download Windows 10. Now tap on the first link called as download Windows 10 disk image as you can see here on the screen. That link will redirect you to official Microsoft software download page as you can see here. Now scroll down the page and find field called as select edition. Tap on the field and select Windows 10. Then tap on the confirm button which is available just below the field. After that scroll down and you will see some more option called select product language. Tap on the field and select your language. I will go with English but you can choose any. Then tap on the confirm button. After that the page will reload. On the next page you will see two options. Choose 32-bit operating system in case you required. I will go with 64-bit operating system. Tap on one of those options to start the download. This method will work with both type of devices. Like the video and share to your friends who need the information. Subscribe this channel for more informative tutorials like this. You can also suggest the required tutorials in the comment section. Thank you so much.